Welcome back, travelers. This is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're checking into a fan favorite here at the Disneyland Resort in California, Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa. This is the most unique property on the West Coast, and it features American craftsman-style architecture and a premium rustic elegance that makes you feel like you've escaped to a Grand National Park lodge. What makes staying here the absolute standard of convenience is its location. You are literally steps away from the downtown Disney district, and the hotel features its own exclusive private entrance directly into Disney's California Adventure Park. You can literally walk from your room straight into DCA in a matter of minutes. Plus, the luxury amenities here are unmatched, from the award-winning dining at the Napa Rose to the tranquil Tenaya Stone Spa and gorgeous pool courtyards. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway or a high-end family vacation, it's the perfect home base to balance thrilling theme park days with a sophisticated, relaxing resort experience. Today we're doing a complete walkthrough of a one-bedroom suite to help you decide if upgrading to the Grand Californian is the right move for your crew. But before booking, remember to contact the Vacationeer. We handle all of the heavy lifting, from securing the perfect room, bundling your theme park tickets, to setting up dining reservations and guiding you through lightning lane passes, ensuring your family gets the absolute best value and a completely stress-free vacation. Reach out to your Vacationeer advisor today or click the booking link located in the description below. Now, without further ado, let's head inside and check out the room. As you first enter the suite, you'll find a hallway that leads into the living room. The first stop is a large closet with mirrors on the doors, and inside you'll find plenty of full-length hanging storage as well as additional bedding and blankets. This comes in handy if somebody is using the living room as a sleeping area. Stepping further into the room, it's a great size for a family. A large sofa and a reading chair anchor the space, and there's a ton of light coming in from the connected balcony and large windows. The sectional sofa will pull out for additional bedding, and tucked in the corner, you'll find a small desk that can double as a vanity with 4 US plugs and 2 USBs for charging. Directly across from the sofa is the first large flat panel smart TV. The system is loaded with live TV channels, resort information, and a massive selection of complimentary Disney movies and on-demand content to wind down with at night. Set below the TV is a desktop with additional drawers, as well as 2 US plugs and 4 USB ports, which is a great charging hub for anyone using the living room as a sleeping area. Next up is the refreshment station. This built-in counter houses your Keurig coffee maker with a premium selection of coffees and teas, refreshed daily for the essential morning cup of joe. The station also features a sink, and your cooler is set below the counter. Heading back towards the entry and around the corner, you'll find the entry to the bathroom. Now, one thing I absolutely love about this layout for families is that it features a split room design. You have a dedicated sink room up front holding a double vanity, which means someone can be brushing their teeth while someone else is using the shower. The vanity features a large backlit mirror, an adjustable magnifying mirror on the side, and your hairdryer is tucked neatly down below. Through the secondary door is the private bathroom area, housing the toilet and a beautiful full walk-in shower featuring a rainfall shower head up above, a separate adjustable shower wand, and a built-in bench for shaving, as well as premium daily refreshed bath amenities. Heading out of the bathroom and into the main bedroom area, you'll pass the main closet space for the bedroom. Inside, you'll find plenty of full-length hanging storage that houses your comfy bathrobes and slippers. Up above is additional bedding and blankets, an in-room steamer, and on the side is a large digital room safe. The one-bedroom suites come equipped with either 2 queen beds and 1 queen-size sleeper sofa, or 1 king bed and 1 queen-size sleeper sofa. Your Vacationeer advisor can help you select the perfect configuration for your booking, and all configurations feature upgraded bedding and linens that add a touch of luxury to your stay. In the bedroom area, we really appreciated the charging updates in these rooms. Set on one side of the bed is a small nightstand with drawers to tuck away smaller personal items, and right on top you'll find a Bluetooth speaker clock with wireless charging and additional USB ports built in. There are also 2 US plugs and 2 additional USB plugs to ensure all of your cameras and devices are charged for your park days. On the opposite side, you'll find the same side table with 2 additional US plugs and 2 USB plugs. The bed frames are also raised with ample wide open clearance underneath the beds, allowing you to easily tuck your bulky luggage or strollers completely out of the way. Across from the bed is this second large flat panel TV, and below the screen you'll have a large wardrobe dresser packed with deep drawers. And set in the corner is a reading chair, which is set next to the first balcony space we'll see on our tour. Outside you'll find 2 chairs and a table separated from the larger balcony. We really enjoyed having this separate balcony during our stay because it allowed us to get up in the morning and go out on the balcony without disturbing anybody sleeping in the living room. Finally, stepping outside through the large glass doors to the main balcony space, which is set between the bedroom and the living room. Outside, you'll find a 4-person dining table, perfect for a quick break between a park hop or a family game night after a long day in the parks. There are a few different view options in this category, including views of the woods, theme park, downtown Disney district, or the pool, depending on the location in the resort. I did also want to mention that this suite has the ability to adjoin to the 2 rooms on each side, which can supersize this suite up to 3 bedrooms, all of which can share the living room space. This is a great option for multi-generational families or friends groups traveling together to each have their own private bedrooms and a central hub for socializing. Now, the number one reason to upgrade to a club level room is exclusive access to the Veranda. This private sanctuary offers a beautiful lineup of complimentary food presentations throughout the day, starting with a massive continental breakfast, followed by afternoon tea, and in the evening you can enjoy premium wine and cheese receptions and cap off your night with cookies and desserts all the way up until 10 p.m. You'll also receive dedicated personal assistance from the concierge staff to handle all of your vacation plans, plus the lounge features an incredible private balcony where you can view the Disneyland fireworks at night. It's an incredible upscale perk that completely elevates your Disneyland vacation. Beyond your room, there's so much to experience right here at the Grand Californian. You can indulge in world-class, award-winning fine dining at Napa Rose, enjoy a fantastic character breakfast with the family at Storytellers Cafe, or head over to the Hearthstone Lounge for a cozy evening cocktail by the fire. To make the most of your next Disneyland vacation, reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link down below to get started. We handle every detail of the planning, from finding that perfect park view to bundling your tickets and setting up dining packages so you can simply sit back, relax, and soak up the magic. Thank you all so much for watching, and if this tour helped you envision your next California getaway, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with all your Disney friends. Until next time, this is Taylor with the Vacationeer, keeping your coffee hot and your travel plans even hotter.